Well, good morning, folks. It's James again with Triple J's Travels, and this morning, coming to you from the Red Cloud Campground. It's a national forest campground in the Cibola National Forest. This campground is going to be southwest of Corona, New Mexico. I believe it's about 10 miles to get out to the campground. It is a dry campground, so there's no water, no electric, no sewer, no dump. But it does have, fire rings and picnic tables and pads, tent pads and RV pads. There's our setup. So thought I'd share it with you, kind of go around the area. Pan around here a little bit. And very nice little camp spot that we found out here. It's the only one in this little mountain range. The mountain range is kind of small, but it is the only one. But there is dispersed camping. As you can see, that right over there is some dispersed camping. And you can disperse out in that way as well. And that road right there leads up to the top of the mountain. Some good hiking trails up there, I believe. There's also a tower. Used to be an old ranger tower, I guess, that you can go climb up. It is Labor Day weekend, and with that, it is also hunting season, so there are a lot of hunters out. And on the National Forest website, it says that this campground is lightly used, but being that we are here during hunting season and Labor Day, it is kind of busy. But we were fortunate enough to snag a spot. As you can see, there's quite a few people out here. I believe the campground itself only has about 5 spots. It does have pit toilets, 2 of them there. I'll bring you over here to show you one of the little areas that you can disperse camp. Just right off the roadway here. You can kind of pull a trailer or set your tent up over in this little area. People built little fire rings. And then you got some nice little hiking areas. There have been some other YouTube channels that have come out to this area. I believe a couple of them are like the Nomadic Ramblers and Fit Organic Life, Dispersed Camper Man. And if I get the names wrong, I do apologize, but those are a few that have come out here. I believe Rusty's been out here too. Rusty's 78609, I think, is his YouTube channel. So, like I said, I'm sorry guys if I get your channels wrong, but there's some of the ones that have been out here before. One good thing about this area is it is free. So you definitely can't beat free. This area up here is going to be on the western side. They've got like 1, 2, 3 spots over here. And I don't want to bug those people, so I won't walk around. But as you can see, you can bring a few friends along with you. It does have some shade. Our rig's a little bit in the sun. We got our awning out, so we're doing good. There's the 4th site. Ours is the 5th site. Depending on how you number them. This right over here is a day use. So if you want to come out and just have a little picnic, you can do so. And then behind us, some people they're doing some dispersed camping over there. They've just kind of set up a tent. So anyway, it's a nice little campground. I highly recommend it. You just kind of want to get away. Again, Red Cloud Campground, Corona, New Mexico. So anyway, folks, I'm going to cut this off here. So as always, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up or thumbs down, either way. But just ask you to subscribe to the channel, and as always, just share our traveling experiences with us. So anyway, till next time, folks, be careful, be safe, God bless, and we'll see you down the road.